You desire love because it is the principle of life, for it is the most basic nature of every human being to give. Love is the most powerful force known to humankind. It has cured the incurable. It has enabled the unimaginable imaginable. Love heals everything, every imperfection of mind or body or environment. Love alone may overcome hatred, anger, envy, and criticism. Love is the greatest healer known. You may ask, why are so many without love? Because love does not require anyone at all, except you. Love is something you create within yourself, as love cannot be found. Love is a feeling that whatever you are experiencing is so in harmony with you that it releases the most important healing chemistry of the human body. How do you cultivate your love? Accept yourself right now, even with the parts of you that you wish to improve, and allow for who you are today, even with the mistakes of your past. Look beyond the faults of others, knowing that they are just as you are, perfectly imperfect. Find your passion. It is the voice of your soul, and it needs to be heard. Your love is suffocated when you judge yourself and others, as criticism is the enemy of love. Are you finding fault in yourself and others? Or are you looking for the good and what is right in all? This is the home to where love resides. We all have this voice that tells us we are stupid, ugly, fat, and not worthy. Would you be friends with someone who talked this way to you? Love is fueled through gratitude. Practice being appreciative for the simple things in life, and your love will expand. You will set in motion an ancient spiritual law. The more you are grateful for, the more will be given to you. When you learn to love yourself, love will surround you all the time. If we were to make only one change to transform the quality of your life, you might try sending a little love your own way. It's time to let go and let love fuel your dreams. Love is the cure. Today my love goes out to all people and to all things. There is no fear in this love, for perfect love casts out all fear. There is no doubt in this love, for faith penetrates all doubt and reveals a unity at the center of everything that embraces all things. This love flowing through me harmonizes everything in my experience, brings joy and gladness to everything, and brings a sense of security and well-being to everyone. I look for the good and what is right, and love always surrounds me. Love is